Hello guys, today I'm gonna play a match with this squad here, but it's not just a normal match. I'm gonna change my settings to manual, all the settings, and so I'm gonna play. If see I can win with manual settings, but yeah, here manual. Oh, not that. It's just my goalkeeper. That is not. But yeah, let's get on with this, man. I'm gonna get so much free kick. For what? Disgrace? Scotland? Oh, yeah. Oh. Oh, got a pass. Oh my god. I'm killing the manual settings. Oh, I said he can skill. That is not a manual. Oh, the shooting is. Oh, fuck. Oh, yeah. I forgot that. Oh, yeah. A bad shot. Oh my god. Good defensive work. Oh, what the. Oh my god. So bad. Oh, fuck. He's killing me. Oh, save De Gea. De Gea. Oh, fuck. I'm gonna get my ass kicked down. Oh my god. Come on, Kone. Yeah. Oh my god. What the oh my god, what a shitty goal, man. A through ball and a left foot finish from Diouf. Oh, what a pass. What a pass. Oh my fucking god. Santana is so fucking overpowered in this game. Oh, I'm playing okay. I have the passing. Oh my god, it's hard, man. Oh my god, is he left footed? Diouf. Oh, I think he's left footed, yeah. Oh yeah, come on. Okay, I play him. Oh fuck, it's hard, man. Oh yeah, good pass. What now though, man? Come on. Good pass. I can skill. Oh, I can skill. Oh, come on. Yeah. Use your pace. Oh, the shooting is on manual. Oh my god. But good attack, guys. We can do it. Just the shooting. I knew he was doing that. Tackle. Good tackle. Luis. Oh, come on. Use your pace. Oh, stop it. I don't know how to play him. Oh, there. Good thing. Good things from you guys. And come on. Shoot. Oh, no. The luck is not with me. What the fuck? Good attack, guys. Good attack. And this is the Division 1. No, I think it's the Gold Cup. Yeah, it's the Gold Cup. Oh, I'm playing very well. Oh my god. I'm not clipping in this video, so you guys don't think I'm cheating or something. Oh my god, so shit. That is just shit. Oh my god, what a lucky and disgusting goal. And Kone could not score before. Oh my god. Hey, free kick, man. Free kick. Give him that red card. That is yellow, judge. Red referee. Oh, come on. Oh my god, he's just getting all this rebounds and all the bad things. Yeah, come on, good defending. Oh my god. It's very hard, man. I'm playing okay, if I self should say it. Oh. This is a boring match. It's very hard to play like this. Oh, oh. I don't think I can win. Oh, what the fuck is that? Oh, 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 oh. Oh, oh. Shakira is the ball. Shakira is the ball. Plays to a slide. He shoots over the behind. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, come on. Okay, okay. Come on. Yeah. 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 What? Meet the ball, man. Why are you just running away? Bitch. Says saying young, says saying young. Yeah, good. Oh, does you have the pace? Oh my god, Santana, you are so big. Oh, Luis is big too. Oh my god, who's that? Naldo, oh my god. He has Naldo and Santana. Oh my god, he's disgusting, Good defending. Come on, away with the ball. Away. Yeah, good pass. There. Oh, Kone has the pay. Oh my god, Naldo, you're a disgusting defender in this game. Oh yeah, good. I love you, Luis. There. Oh, Kone. Oh, come on, you're fast. He's just changing with Santana and Naldo, man. Who's the last defender? He's not doing anything. Oh yeah, it's because I'm not in his sight. Oh yeah, I'm gonna go on the left side now. Subotic is not so pacey. There. Oh good. Oh my god, good touch, Clichy. Good touch. Yeah, he scores, yeah. This is fucking difficult to say it. But I have had some chances, I'm happy. Oh my god, I think he's shit. I know, just for fun, I wanna change the settings in the second half to see if I can beat him. There. Oh, manual shooting. I'm just saying it, guys. Ah, good shot, Susan. Good shot. Oh my god, he's just playing on the pace, man. Oh, good pass there from you. Down. He's a bitch. Good defending, Clichy. I like. Oh, Tarap is on. Tarap has the pace. Can I shoot? Oh. I had much space, very much space there. Oh my god. I think I could beat him if I had my normal settings. Good De Gea. David De Gea. Yeah. Oh, you're a stunning goalkeeper, De Gea. I like you. Oh. Come on. Tackle him. Yeah. Oh my god, what? Yeah, come on. Get rid of that ball. Oh my god, he's so disgusting, man. He's so disgusting. Just crossing it in and yeah. Goal. Give me that ball. Oh my god, I cannot pass it to Konami. Oh, yeah. Come on. Yeah, he scores again, man. Oh my fucking god. This is not fun, man. I'm rage quitting. I'm fucking rage quitting. Oh, no, guys. I'm not rage quitting. Calm down. I'm shooting on goal with fuck. Oh, yeah. Come on, take the... oh my god. He's afraid of me taking the ball. What? Free kick. Oh my god. Adel Tarap, you are too aggressive. Yeah. What? How the oh yeah. Oh yeah, he has the ball. He still has the ball. And he has the ball. Oh, good. Play. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, let's get some position. Oh. Oh. Oh, this is Barca. No. Fuck. I could feel that pace. I could feel that pace. Oh my god, this is not fun. Okay, come on guys. Now we have to get a good attack on. Oh. A little bit lucky there, but oh, Ramirez, you are a Brazilian samba. You are a good player. Yeah, again. Oh, I'm through. I'm through, bitches. No! No! Oh my god. It's hard to score. It's hard to score a goal. It's hard. It's hard. It's hard. It's hard. There. Oh fuck. Come on. Take. Oh my god. He's so strong and so black and so good. It's far. It's hard to take him. It's hard to take him down. Down. Oh, good job, Kabul. You are an impressive player. You are good. Oh, I'm not taking the goal kick. Okay, I am. Come on, let's get that goal. Oh my god. It's fucking hard, man. Come on, run, Kune! Run! Run! What the fuck? A black man with white hair. Oh my god, this is not normal. Oh, no! Maybe! I don't know. Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh! No! Oh! I got that goal! Shh. Oh fuck! Shh. I got that goal with Kone. I got the and with his left foot. I'm a beast. I'm a beast, a born beast. Who is good? Who likes food? Who likes food? Is my mood? Oh yeah. I'm happy now. I got that goal, and that was deserved. I'm behind 5-1, but I wanna get deserved. Oh yeah. Oh, come on, Kune. Meet the ball, man. Meet that ball. Oh yeah. Come on. Yeah. Oh come on, Techaya, you have him. Oh fuck. Oh, what a clearing, Clichy. What a clearing. That was a beast clearing. Oh, what do you want, Clay? Shakiri. Shakiri. Oh, Tarabs get the ball. Tarabs get the ball. Oh my god, sober fuck. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, he's on. He's maybe. Oh, Johnson is free. Oh my god. How the fuck should I cross it with that shit settings, man? Yeah. Oh, I'm done. Cool. The Chaya is a beast, man. He's a beast with a big B. I'm losing this match, but I got me a goal, mamma mia. Oh, he has the pace. Oh my god. What a. Oh yeah. Johnson is on. Oh fuck. Oh, so close. Oh, he's Barca now. Oh, sorry. Oh, Kune is on. Kune is the pace. He has the pace. Oh, what a nice thing. Oh, who is there? Oh my god, no. Good Kabul. Sessegnon long shot. Oh, yeah. Clichy. Who can you pass? There. Let me please be free. Oh. So close, but not close enough. But not close enough. Let's see if I can score on this corner. Corner. Yeah. No, what? Why are you going away, Kone? You are afraid of the ball, aren't you? Oh, yeah. 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 Oh. Yeah. Oh. Come on, take that ball. Oh. Good Kabul. Oh my fucking god. There. There. Oh, I had a counter attack, man. I could be scoring there. But no. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Stop this match. That was a disgusting match. I lost 5-1, but I think I played okay. I've played okay. I had manual settings, I hit the post, and had some good chances. But yeah, see you guys. Subscribe and like.